Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Indian Railway has installed squat kiosk in Delhi at Anand Bihar railway station. To make India a fit nation, Indian Railways has come up with an innovative idea to make the passengers healthy and save their money at the same time, which will dispense a free platform ticket if you will perform 30 squats in 180 seconds in front of it. Here is the tweets by respected Railway Minister, Mr. Piyush Goyal. In his tweet, he has also shared a video of this squat machine and ticket collection procedure. Thanks for watching.